Show Mama your new trick.
Good job.
Are you gonna play some Blues Traveler? Yay!
And yes, this is what our living room looks like after a long day. You did a good job playing that harmonica, Miles.
Play a song. Yeah. Oh, wrong side. Flip it over. Yeah. Ooh, slobbery.
You're doing so good.
You just learned to do that. Ah! Pretty good.
All right, Miles. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Yay!